Morning students, have a nice day. I am your maths teacher. Last class we discussed about the topic square and square root in detail. Today we see cube and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. I take 10 numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 243, 512, 729 and 1000. So cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 64 is 4, cube root of 125 is 5, cube root of 216 is 6, cube root of 243 is 7, cube root of 512 is 8, cube root of 729 is 9 and cube root of 1000 is 10. Now we see how to write the notation for this cube root. The cube root of a number x is denoted by cube root of x or x to the power 1 by 3. We denote it as in two ways, cube root of x or x to the power 1 by 3. For example, cube root of 1, since 1 cube equal to 1, cube root of 8, since 2 cube equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 8, cube root of 27, since 3 cube equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 27, cube root of 64, since 4 cube equal to 4 into 4 into 4, 64, and cube root of 125, since 5 cube equal to 5 into 5 into 5, 125 and so on. Now we see one example. Listen carefully. Example 1.34. Find the cube root of a number 27,000. Solution. Now we do this cube root by prime factorization method. 27,000 equal to 27 into 1000. Then this 27 can be written as 9 3s are 27, again divide by 3, 3 3s are 27. So 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Also 1000 divide by 10, 100 and divide again by 10, 10 tens are 100. So 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. Now 27,000 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. 10 into 10 into 10. So cube root of 27 equal to cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10. Here we have the cube root 3 or the order is 3. We have 3 3's here. So take 1 3 outside 3 and take 1 10 among the 3 tens. We have 10. So 3 into 10, 30. So cube root of 27 equal to 30 is the answer. And another example, example 1.35, evaluate cube root of 9,261 by 8,000. Now we take these two numbers and split by prime factorization method. 9,261 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, we cannot divide by 2 here, put 0, take 26, 3 8s are 24, carry 2, we have 21 here, 3 7s are 21, again divide by 3, 3 1s are 3, put 0 here, take 8, so 3 2s are 6, carry 2, 27 here, 9 3s are 27. Again divide by 3, 3 3s are 10, carry 1 12, 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. This 343 is divisible by 7, 4 7s are 28, carry 6, 63 here, 9 7s are 63, divide by 7, 7 7s are 49. By the same way, 8,000 can be written as 8 into 1000, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. So 8 into 1000, 8000 here. Now cube root of 9261 by 8000 equal to cube root of 3 into 3 into 3, 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. In the square root, we have the power 3. All the powers are same, number 3. So we can write 3 power 3 and 7 into 7 into 7, 7 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 power 3 and 10 into 10 into 10 equal 10 power 3. So we have all the powers the same number 3. Now we rewrite as 3 into 7, 21 to the power 3 and 2 into 10, 20 to the power 3. This cube root can be rewritten as power to the power 1 by 3. Here also 20 cube to the power 1 by 3. As we have seen earlier, this cube root of x can be written as x to the power 1 by 3. This way or this way, we write here cube root of this 3 is 1 power 3. 21 cube to the power 1 by 3 and 20 cube to the power 1 by 3. These 3 and these 3 get cancelled. Here also get cancelled. We have 21 by 10. So 21 by 20. Divide this number 21s are 20, carry 1, then 1 by 20. So 21s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 20. So we have a mixed fraction here. Therefore cube root of 9261 by 8000, the answer is 21 by 20 as mixed fraction 1 into 1 by 20. So we have seen two examples. Go through it carefully and do it of your own. We see in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.